Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the price details about the Asus ROG Phone 3 during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. Yes friends, finally the Asus ROG Phone 3, which is a perfect gaming phone. Right now it's available for about 34,999. And if you use the ICICI Bank and Axis Bank credit cards, you can actually get as low as 32,000. Yes friends, for 32,000 you're getting the gaming beast mobile phone. And right now a lot of users are actually planning to buy the phone for the gaming purpose, and this will be the really very good advantage for you all. And let me know in the comment section below, are you interested in this phone or not? And if you want me to buy, definitely I look forward to buy this smartphone as well very soon. So stay tuned for more updates friends regarding this kind of details, regarding the sales offers as well. And 8GB RAM variant is available for about 31,999, and 12GB RAM variant is available for about 35,999. 12GB RAM and with a 128GB storage. And at this range, if you're planning to buy the phone for the gaming purpose in this kind of range, then definitely this is the best one which you can actually buy right now regarding the gaming purpose. So let me know in the comments. As I said, in case if you want me to buy, definitely I'll try to look forward to buy this Asus ROG Phone 3 as well. So let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this particular phone, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates regarding the offers and promotion sales during the Flipkart sales which is going on right now, so which you can actually follow the playlist where you will get a clear idea what is going on. So thank you for watching this video friends, and in this video you'll be able to buy the Asus ROG Phone 3 for about 31,999. For 32,000 Snapdragon 865 plus, and you're getting really powerful gaming smartphone. Only for the gaming, this is the best one you can actually get it right now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.